Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can sign up to Cash App without using the application. So let's get started right away. Now, I already have the Cash App application on my device, but still let's go ahead and check if we are able to sign up using our web browser. Let's just open up the web browser first, and after you open it, simply type in Cash App and then start your search. Once you find the Cash App website, just click on it and you will be taken into the Cash App website. Now the Cash App logo will keep on flashing, but it will not load up the main page for Cash App. If you turn back and click on the login link, you will be directly taken into a page which will tell you to download the Cash App application. So the only option you have is to tap on this button, which will redirect you into the Cash App application page for the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Now if you do the same on a PC, you will be shown a QR code that you will need to scan from the Cash App application on your smartphone. So this means that you are not able to sign up to a Cash App account without the official application from the web browser. And there you have it. That is everything about signing up to your Cash App account without using an application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.